If you lost your job and are trying to figure out how to get one quick, how to do it in the most efficient way, you need to watch this video. Hi everyone, my name's Dr. Benjamin Ritter. I'm a leadership and empowerment coach at Live for Yourself Consulting, where we guide others to create a career they can love. And to have a career you can love, you need a job. So where should you be spending your time if you need a job fast? Now, a lot of times people may say, well, just apply to job boards and do it quickly. Just apply to as many as you can. Some people may say, apply very specifically, get very focused in where you want to apply and make sure that you cater directly to that position and have a very specific cover letter and really spend your time on applying for that position. Now, I get it, that makes sense. But really, if all you're doing is applying to jobs, you have kind of a 2 to 5% chance of actually getting a phone screening. That doesn't even mean getting the job. But what will get you a job are relationships, are building trusted relationships. And you can do that without even knowing anybody. So the number one way that you can get a job quick is actually spending time being curious about the people that you want to meet, that maybe have the jobs that you want, or at the organizations that you want to work for, and building trusted relationships and building your network in that way. So get specific, get targeted. List out your dream organizations you'd like to work for, thought about working for. Get curious about that organization, connect with people there, follow their social media pages, share their posts, build a brand presence around there. And as you're having these conversations, highlight your skills, highlight your strengths. Mention that, yeah, actually it would be pretty cool to work here. I'd love to see how to do that. And get those direct referrals. And the only way to do that is to have those relationships, have those conversations. Now, it might even be easier to reach out to your second or third connections that might work at those organizations for those introductions as well. So don't forget about that. There's some research that shows that your second and third and fourth and fifth connections, like your outer relationships, are more likely to help you with opportunities than your first connections. But try to spend most of your time on networking and having these conversations in a way that is focused on curiosity about organizations that you actually are passionate about and care about. And during those conversations, highlight your strengths, highlight your skills, and I promise you something will come of it. So thank you so much for listening. If you've taken one thing away, make sure to like this, share this with a friend. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. I read and respond to everything. And most importantly, everyone, keep on living for yourself.